The 2026 Honda Civic continues. A legacy that has made the Civic one of the most successful and respected compact cars in automotive history. For decades, the Civic has earned a reputation for reliability, practicality, fuel efficiency, and everyday usability. With the 2026 model, Honda takes that proven formula and refines it even further, delivering a sedan that feels more mature, more advanced, and more premium than ever before. The first impression begins with the exterior design. At a glance, the 2026 Civic looks sleek, modern, and sophisticated. Honda has resisted the temptation to make the car overly aggressive or complicated. Instead, the design focuses on clean lines, balanced proportions, and a confident stance that appeals to a wide range of drivers. The front end features a refined grille design paired with slim LED headlights. These lighting elements create a sharp appearance while improving nighttime visibility. The lower bumper incorporates aerodynamic details that help improve efficiency while giving the vehicle a more athletic look. Moving along the side profile, the Civic showcases one of the most balanced silhouettes in its class. The roofline flows smoothly toward the rear, creating a sporty appearance without sacrificing passenger comfort. Carefully sculpted body lines add character while maintaining the clean aesthetic that Honda is known for. The wheel designs vary depending on trim level, but each option complements the vehicle's appearance nicely. Higher trims receive larger alloy wheels that enhance the Civic's premium feel. The proportions remain elegant regardless of configuration. At the rear, the design remains equally refined. Modern LED taillights stretch across the corners, creating a distinctive lighting signature at night. The trunk design integrates smoothly into the rear fascia, contributing to the vehicle's aerodynamic efficiency and overall visual appeal. Opening the driver's door reveals an interior that demonstrates just how far compact cars have evolved. The cabin feels surprisingly upscale. Materials throughout the interior have been carefully selected to create an environment that feels both comfortable and durable. The dashboard design is clean and functional. Honda has avoided unnecessary complexity, focusing instead on intuitive controls and a user-friendly layout. The result is an interior that feels modern without becoming overwhelming. The seating position is excellent. Drivers immediately notice the visibility provided by the thoughtfully designed cabin. Large windows and carefully positioned pillars help create an open and airy feeling that improves confidence behind the wheel. Front seats provide impressive comfort and support. Whether commuting through city traffic or spending hours on the highway, occupants remain comfortable. The seats are designed to balance softness and support, reducing fatigue during longer journeys. Rear passengers also benefit from generous space. Legroom and headroom remain competitive within the compact sedan segment, making the Civic a practical choice for families, professionals, and daily commuters alike. One of the highlights of the interior is the infotainment system. The center touchscreen responds quickly to inputs and provides access to navigation, smartphone integration, media controls, and vehicle settings. Wireless smartphone connectivity allows drivers to access familiar apps without the need for cables. The digital instrument cluster presents important information clearly and efficiently. Speed, fuel economy, navigation, directions, and safety system data are displayed in a format that is easy to understand at a glance. Storage solutions throughout the cabin demonstrate Honda's practical approach to vehicle design. Queue folders, door pockets, center console storage, and various compartments provide convenient places for everyday items when it comes to performance. The 2026 Civic delivers exactly what most drivers want. The powertrain is smooth, efficient, and responsive. Acceleration feels confident during daily driving situations. Whether merging onto highways or navigating urban traffic, the engine operates quietly at cruising speeds. While remaining eager enough to make driving enjoyable, Honda's engineering expertise is evident in the way power is delivered. The throttle response feels natural, and the transmission works seamlessly with the engine. One of the most impressive aspects of the Civic is its balance. Some vehicles prioritize comfort at the expense of handling, while others focus solely on sport. The Civic successfully combines both qualities, creating a driving experience that feels engaging without sacrificing refinement. Steering response is precise and predictable. Drivers receive enough feedback to feel connected to the road while maintaining comfort during long journeys. The steering effort is well calibrated, making parking easy while preserving confidence at higher speeds. Ride quality is another area where the Civic excels. The suspension absorbs road imperfections effectively, helping maintain passenger comfort on rough surfaces. Potholes, expansion joints, and uneven pavement are handled with composure. On winding roads, the Civic demonstrates impressive agility. Body roll remains controlled, and the chassis feels balanced through corners. This characteristic has always been one of the Civic's strengths, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. Fuel efficiency remains a major selling point. Honda has refined engine technology to maximize economy without compromising performance. Drivers can expect excellent mileage during both city and highway driving. For those who spend significant time commuting, this efficiency translates into meaningful savings over the life of the vehicle. Combined with Honda's reputation for reliability, the Civic remains one of the most economical ownership experiences in the industry. Safety has become increasingly important for modern buyers, and the 2026 Civic includes a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies. These systems work together to improve awareness and reduce the likelihood of accidents. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, collision mitigation, braking, blind spot monitoring, and traffic recognition help create a safer driving environment. Importantly, these systems operate smoothly without feeling intrusive. Night driving benefits from advanced LED lighting technology. The headlights provide excellent visibility while reducing glare for oncoming drivers. Interior illumination is equally well executed, creating a comfortable environment after sunset. The Civic's quiet cabin contributes significantly to overall comfort. Road noise, wind noise, and engine noise are carefully controlled, creating a more relaxed driving experience. This refinement becomes particularly noticeable during highway travel. Long distances, comfort is impressive for a compact sedan. The supportive seats, smooth ride quality, efficient climate control system, and quiet interior combine to create a vehicle capable of handling extended journeys with ease. Climate controls are simple and intuitive. Physical controls remain available for key functions, allowing drivers to make adjustments without navigating complicated menus. This practical approach improves usability and safety. The audio system delivers clear sound quality across a variety of music genres. Higher trim levels offer premium audio upgrades that further enhance the listening experience. Build quality remains one of Honda's strongest attributes. Every switch, button, and control feels solid and well-engineered. Panel gaps are consistent, materials are durable, and the overall sense of quality exceeds expectations for the segment. Cargo capacity is another practical advantage. The trunk provides sufficient space for groceries, luggage, sports equipment, and everyday necessities. Folding rear seats increase flexibility when transporting larger items. Maintenance costs remain reasonable, which has always been an important part of the Civic's appeal. Owners benefit from Honda's extensive service network and reputation for long-term reliability. Resale value is another strength. Historically, the Civic has maintained strong value over time, making it an attractive option for buyers who consider long-term ownership costs. One reason the Civic remains so popular is its versatility. It appeals to first-time buyers, students, professionals, families, and retirees alike. Few vehicles manage to satisfy such a wide range of needs. The 2026 model builds upon decades of continuous improvement. Honda has carefully refined every aspect of the vehicle while preserving the qualities that made the SCSV successful in the first place. Whether used as a daily commuter, family sedan, road trip companion, or first car, the Civic adapts easily to different lifestyles. This flexibility contributes significantly to its enduring popularity as the miles accumulate. The strengths of the Civic become increasingly apparent. Reliability, comfort, efficiency, practicality, and enjoyable driving dynamics combine to create a vehicle that consistently exceeds expectations. The 2026 Honda Civic may not be the most powerful car on the road, nor is it intended to be. Instead, it focuses on delivering excellence in the areas that matter most to everyday drivers. It provides dependable transportation while maintaining a level of refinement and sophistication that rivals more expensive vehicles. For buyers seeking a compact sedan that offers outstanding value, modern technology, strong fuel efficiency, impressive safety features, and Honda's legendary reputation for reliability, the 2026 Civic remains one of the strongest choices available. It is a vehicle designed not simply
but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this